Hello guys, welcome back to another video, even though it's like really at 8:14 a.m. in the morning. But you see this is a joystick and I'm using it for Jurassic Life. So I don't have to walk because I can't go outside since my dad's not here. Well, my dad is here, but he said I can't go outside because it's cold. And so I got this app where I have a joystick. Hi Beto. Just my little brother. It does work. Oh, cool. I mean, it's glass. Yes, that's cool. Just in case. Oh, I need 3? Oh god, that's a lot. Use 3. I'll put it down here. Oh, no, I'll put it up here. Raptor, because Raptor is always the first, fastest. Oh, level 19. Man, that is so. This guy swaps? That's bad. It's too strong. This thing is too strong. I'm not gonna beat it. Sucks. Wait, this thing has impact? Oh yeah. Forgot. The defense doesn't work. Guess what? I'm gonna destroy it. So I destroy defense. And I'm going to destroy that defense. Say bye-bye to your defense. Please be critical. Gonna fire. It's okay if it kills me. It's got 2. I can beat it with 2, right? Only I need 1 more because this guy's gonna die. I know he is. He's got 749, so I guess I will be able to kill him, but I will swap with the Triceratops just in case he goes for long protection. And swap and stun, he's gonna get stunned, I guess. Never mind. I can do that. Now packed in. Why would he run? Oh no! I want for one decision. I meant to. No. Can I restart? Can I do that again? Can I do it? Please again. Please again. Please do it again. Do. This Apatosaurus doesn't get that. Heck, I am so God help God me. God help me, please. Like this. Ruben, come. I gotta talk to you. What is that? What did I just? What is that?
Where? Is it pink?
No, it's. I don't. Oh, I think it's a squishy rubbery toy.
I think it's blue.
Oh, there's more poop. Oh. Oh God. Yes, guys. Okay. Can I at least have one?
One what?
One sock on?
Yeah. We'll put on a different sock.
Oh God, I think I just recorded with.
Wait, where's the guy?
I just think I just recorded. Pause, guys. Sorry about that. One to the one to top. One of the best teams ever. Blue Velociraptor. Pyroraptor. I guess not the best team, but the best team I choose. I was just close to get a T-Rex, so yeah, Raptor I choose. Come on, that's Opteryx. Oh, level 5, yes! I get to beat it. This time it's easier. Oh, no. No. Don't go for the swap and not them. Yeah. What? Oh, man. Cheater. Cheater, pumpkin eater, eat my dumb face. Nope. That doesn't kill me. Yeah, I know he's going for the strategy, but I still kill him, don't I? Yeah, I still kill. What? I have to kill 3 of them? Wait. 3? To Pandact. What? No, it's gonna kill 2, so I thought he was gonna kill 2. Oh wow, I just beat him in 1 hit. Wow. This raptor is being a bat. Oh. Yeah, since I'm fast, he has nothing to do. Oh! I am no. I beated this guy. Man, I good. My first loss was in the. Yeah, guys, I know it sucks. I'm a fast man. Oh god, I am walking so fast. Oh wait. This time he has those guys. Oh, easy. I'll choose the same. Epic Snatchix. Beto, ven, ¿quieres tú papas? Ven. Aquí les comes, ¿ok? Ven, Beto. Chips. Seriously? Oh my god. Are you serious? Oh, battle. Bye guys, I guess I'll end this video here because of this glitch. Bye bye.